welcome to my house. I try to go really basic so I can mix and match everything and not overpack. So I'm also bringing a couple workout outfits, long sleeve, long pants, and a jacket. I recently ran a marathon and they gave me a custom jacket. Nike gave it to me, and it says the 26 miles, my name, and it's, you know, windproof, waterproof with a hood, so it'd be perfect for London during this time. It's probably going to rain and be really windy. I have to work out in London because my 2019 goal is an Ashanti body. Don't play on her. She has like literally the best body ever. So this is my phone, my screensaver. This is Ashanti's body with my face on it because you gotta speak things into existence. I got this from Zara too, so I'm excited to wear them and bring it with me. I can't forget is Heat Tech that you get from Uniqlo. It's the best thing ever when you're going to cold weather places. I went to London in November just for a couple of weeks, and this actually like really saved me, and I was able to kind of wear light like jeans and a t-shirt and a sweater and be okay because this really keeps you warm.
How about the sea urchin?
Okay, don't hate on this furry thing. It's actually super cute. I'm warm. That's all that's really important, is I'm warm and not grumpy. I mean, I'm a California girl going into like 32-degree weather. It's like a problem. This horrible folding, tidying up. She would not be impressed. Zara's having a major sale and they had like the best belts ever in life. And I'm just gonna be like cinching everything in life. This is cute. This black one in here, it's simple. I like that one too. And I got this little earring thing from Amazon. It's Halston, but it's so cool because it literally, once I fill this up, will have all my favorite pieces. I love this travel wallet. You can see I have my receipts from my last trip from Tokyo. This is my favorite thing. It's literally the best wallet ever. Super convenient. So I'm going to do this little travel size Cora, and it's an eye oil. So we're going to bring that. Oh, I'm going to bring this just in case I get a pimple. This is like, all you do is you take a Q-tip, dip it into the pink area, and then dab it, and like I swear your pimple is like, it's gone. Bioderma, the best makeup remover. The best. Since I'm going to be there for a month, I'm going to need the big size of shampoo and conditioner. Kerastase is the key. This one in particular, your hair will grow within like a month. I've already tried it. It works. I mean, this is the best stuff. So whatever it's called, Kiehl's lotion. I'm doing this because my skin gets super dry and this stuff is the bomb. Contacts because I'm blind. Face masks. Again, it's super dry in London. So, and I like to do some on plane, but I'm going to be going mad on the face mask. Of course, it's like, that will help me. This dude in Japan told me this was the best, and I only wanted the best, and I just ignored that it said placenta on it. This is just some of my makeup. Kelly Baker brow kit, because she really be killing my brows. If you see on my gram, I always post. I'm not going to try to bring that many eyeshadows, so I stuck with one palette by Huda Beauty. It's just like deserty colors. This again, because I'm scared for dry skin, this is the best thing, and it's a makeup primer. Your brows. This gives you that good boy brow. These are the essentials for right now. It has a charger in here, so I'm gonna leave this on my vanity case. Alright guys, I am CALPAK'd out, color coordinated, and I am ready to go to London. Wish me luck. 1 month in cold. Thanks for coming to my house and helping me pack, but you guys have to go because I have to catch an Uber for my flight. I'm gonna miss you guys. Bye.